Hello everyone, I'm Gauri Pawar. My PRN is 121B1B263. Today I'm here to demonstrate my CVFA2 activity. Today I'll be showing you how to create a simple CNN for fruit classification using PyTorch. We'll walk through the code to train a model that can classify images of fruit like apples and mangoes. So let's dive in. The dataset as you can see, I have imported the dataset from Kaggle, which is fruit data for binary classification. Now let's set up our dataset. Here I have stored my training and testing data in folders named train and test. Each folder has images of apples and mangoes. We'll start by defining some image transformations to prepare our image for the model. We resize each image to 64 by 64 pixel, convert it to tensor and normalize it. Normalization helps the model train faster and more accurately. Now we'll load our dataset using PyTorch function and then create data loaders for both our training and test sets. Data loaders allow us to easily batch and shuffle our data during training and testing. Now, let's build our CNN model. Here's a class definition for a basic CNN. I'll walk through the structure. Our model has two convolution layers followed by pooling, relux, ReLU activations, and fully connected layers for classification. The final layer has two output neurons for our two classes, apple and mangoes. In the forward method, we define how data flows through each layer of our model. We use ReLU activation for each convolution, followed by pooling, and then flatten the data before passing it through the fully connected layers. With a model defined, let's initialize it and set up the loss function and optimizer. We'll use cross entropy loss, a common loss function for classification, and the Adam optimizer with a learning rate of 0.001. Now, we are ready to start training. For each epoch, we'll feed in the batch of images, compute the loss, and adjust the model weights accordingly. We'll run this loop for 10 epochs and track the loss to see how well our model is learning. Now that we have trained the model, it's time to test it on our test set value, evaluate its accuracy. To see our model's progress over each epoch, let's plot the training loss. Now, let's display a few sample images from our dataset along with their labels to check if our classes are set up correctly. As a final step, let's visualize the feature maps from the first convolutional layer. This shows us what features our model is focusing on in the images. And that's it. We have successfully built and trained a CNN to classify images of fruits and even visualize some feature maps to see how the model interprets the images. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this walkthrough helpful. Thank you.